Keep your kitchen safe during Thanksgiving. Hey there, Turkey Day is right around the corner, and the folks at the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, are dishing out some tips to keep your Thanksgiving feast safe and delicious. Dr. Emilio Esteban, a bigwig at the USDA, says handling your turkey right is key to dodging foodborne illnesses. He's all about 4 simple steps: clean, separate, cook, and chill. Stick to these, and you'll steer clear of those pesky bacteria. Now, let's talk about 7 no-nos that could ruin your holiday spread. 1. Wash those hands and surfaces. This one's a biggie. Make sure to scrub your hands for at least 20 seconds with soap and water before, during, and after food prep. Also, keep those surfaces where you'll be handling turkey clean and sanitized. You can whip up a homemade sanitizer with a tablespoon of liquid chlorine bleach per gallon of water, or just grab some commercial sanitizer or wipes. Fun fact: most folks think they're washing their hands enough, but a USDA study found only 44% actually do it before cooking. 2. Keep cutting boards separate. Don't mix up your cutting boards and utensils for raw and cooked foods. Using separate ones for raw meats and ready-to-eat items like fruits and veggies is a smart move to prevent cross-contamination. 3. Turkey thawing tips. Never thaw your turkey on the counter. That's a bacteria bonanza. Instead, thaw it in the fridge, allowing about 24 hours for every 4 to 5 pounds. Or, do a cold water bath, changing the water every half hour. Just don't leave it lying around. 4. Cooking temperature matters. Don't slow roast your turkey overnight at a low temp. Anything below 325 F is a no-go. Cook it at 325 F or higher and check that all parts hit a safe internal temp of 165 F. 5. Use a food thermometer. Those pop-up timers in turkeys are okay, but trust a food thermometer more. Check the thickest part of the breast, wing, and thigh to be sure. 6. Stuffing safety. If you're stuffing your turkey, keep the wet and dry ingredients separate until just before cooking. Stuff it loosely and cook right away in an oven at no less than 325 F, and remember, a stuffed turkey takes longer to cook. 7. Leftover logic. Store leftovers in shallow containers and refrigerate. They're good for about 4 days in the fridge. In the freezer, they'll last longer but are best eaten within 2 to 6 months. Stay safe and enjoy the holidays.